Hi, this is Colin Sandy from Sandy Audiovisual with my review of the Line 6 XD-V75 digital wireless microphone receiver combo. I first have to say, and this is just to keep the review short and sweet, that friends don't let friends buy Line 6 wireless microphones. And before I get sued for slander, let me just say that I had very high hopes for this microphone. The receiver, it's brilliant. I love how it's built. It has a very nice, very bright, informative display. Set of LEDs give you the RF strength, your battery life, your audio signal, whether you're muted or not. Build quality is solid. It has a built-in microphone distributor, or not microphone, but antenna distribution system, so you don't have to go out and buy a separate rack to do that. These things daisy chain to each other, so you can use two antennas on two receivers here instead of having to use four. Very intuitive menu system. Alright, channel scan, output level, set channel, dynamic filter. It even has built-in digital encryption. Beautiful device. Alright, version number. I love this channel scan feature. Alright, scanning RF. And here's where the Achilles heel of this product exists. Line 6 uses pretty much the Wi-Fi spectrum. I won't get too propeller head on this, but the problem is you can see even here, out of the 14 channels that are available, more than half of them, right, 8 of the 14 are quite saturated with Wi-Fi traffic. Right? When you see the RF level that high on any bar or on any channel, you're competing for that bandwidth with your wireless microphone, and believe you me, you will get dropouts. The other problem with the what I'm calling the Wi-Fi band in the gigahertz range is what's called the propagation characteristics of those high frequencies aren't as good as the lower frequencies that were traditionally used for television. There's a reason why those frequencies were chosen for broadcast television back in the days, because those frequencies, UHF, VHF, penetrated walls very easily, penetrated giant sacks of water, aka humans, very well. But guess what? These don't. You walk in front of a microphone, or between a microphone and this receiver, it will drop out. You have to have line of sight. So if you have a particular application where you can ensure that you have perfect line of sight between the antenna on the transmitter and the antenna on the receiver at all times, and there's no human bodies in between, you're good to go. Now, I meant to do this review a long time ago, and a friend of mine from New York had a big program. A Grammy-nominated singer was about to get on stage. He was webcasting live. I was looking at the program because it looked interesting, and I saw a Line 6 mic. And this is before the Grammy singer came up on stage, and I instantly saw the beautiful design with the silver pop filter shield, and I said, wow, I'm going to text this guy right now. He does not want to use this particular microphone in this particular venue, because what happened? It started dropping out. But that was okay. I figured he'd get my text message, and before the professional artist got on stage, that he'd swap out the microphone for something in a different frequency. It didn't happen, and what did we have? A really bad advertisement for Line 6 when you have a Grammy nominee saying, ooh, I hate this mic. Not a good look. So, but beyond the fact that the mic's primary function, actually hearing something come out of it being steady and not dropping out, it's great. You can go out and buy one of these lovely Line 6 directional microphones, or I even tried their omnidirectional microphone, all types of antenna schemes and placements to get it to work. Even a chain link fence, 2.4 gigahertz doesn't like chain link fences either. It will trap that frequency and you will get nothing or barely anything. You'll get dropouts. If someone's giving you money to perform an audio function and they're using your microphones, you don't want to use this particular microphone. So, what's good about it? Well, again, build quality, right? Really good information. Right? If you're in some place like, say, a very rural community, this might be perfect. Somewhere where, or some place where Wi-Fi adoption is either not prevalent or it's very spread out, then perhaps you can use these microphones. If you're in an urban setting, in an office, any place where people will be broadcasting on that frequency. For example, pretty much every smartphone has Wi-Fi on it now and broadcasts and receives on 2.4 gigahertz. You're going to be competing for bandwidth. And you don't want to compete for bandwidth. This is unlicensed spectrum, and there's nothing you can do about it if everyone decides to turn on their hotspots, their MiFis, their smartphones, their iPhones, their Droids, and God forbid any other wireless device that wants to use the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. Don't do it.